Hello, YouTube. Today I am playing, well, not playing, I am designing. I'm sorry, I got used to that. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your own Roblox ad. So I already got what I wanted for my ad, which is this. Just go on Google Images or whatever and just click on the ad, right click on it, and then press copy image. You also need paint.net for this, so as soon as you do that, just copy down your image and get any other things you want for your ad using Google Images or from some other website by using the snipping tool to copy and paste it, or copy or take a screenshot of it. So first, before you start, you would need this right here, this template thing for the advertisements. You don't need just that one. I'm going to show you where you can get another. Just go on Roblox. There. So just go on Roblox and then go to develop. Sorry, it's so slow right now. Then you go to group creations or my creations, and you should click on user ads, but I am making this for a group. My new group called Purple and Casey's Store. So as soon as you do that, just click on user ads. And okay, so instead go to my ads and go to user ads. And so I've already created a lot of ads. And so I'm lost. I'm sorry. And so, okay, this is not the ad page. Okay, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. You go to groups. If you go to group, this is usually how I enter it. I go to advertise group, and then you could download them here. And I'm sure you could just go to develop and user ads and do this, but I don't know how. So as you download the ads, and so this, I have all the ad templates, but you can either download this by right clicking on this and pressing save image as. I already have this, but just do the same thing for all of these, for whatever one you want. I recommend this one, I think, because it appears everywhere. Meaning no matter what Roblox page you go on, it appears. See? I mean, this ad doesn't appear, and the square one doesn't appear. So, sorry my voice is cracky. So, you go right here. Most likely I would make a new layer for it. And then I would go right here, Control C to copy it, and then paste, Control V. Keep canvas size, and I would find a place where I would want to put it. So basically like that. Then I would add a new layer. I would copy my Roblox player, put it right there, keep canvas size, and then I would do this. My voice is so cracky, I'm so sorry. And then I would copy this, which is my friend Casey's Roblox player. New layer, paste. So it's okay if you make mistakes. All you have to do is open this clock thing at the top, which says history, and you would just redo it. So that's basically all. You could add text to it just simply by pressing this, and then choose your font. It does not matter which one, just as long as you can see it. So I'm going to write original cheap clothing. Because like most clothing stores copy all. Oops. Why won't this work now? Oh, okay, I see why. Okay. All. I should make this a brighter color so you could see it. I mean, you could sort of see that. I'll just expand this. All at I'm taking so long on this. I'll just pause the video. So basically my ad might look confusing. It's basically a design fail. But like at the top it says original cheap clothing, as you saw I added. And it's like all at purple, which is me, and this is her, which is also me. With the and symbol, or I forgot what they call it. And Casey's. So this is Casey. I just put our names over each other just to fit it better. Store. So that's basically my ad. I think I failed. But to put all of this together, just do this. Start merging the layers if you added layers. I do recommend doing that. And so as soon as you save it, you press save as. I have a lot of screenshots of stuff. And then you press save as. Casey. That's a purple. And Casey's store ad. Join today. So as soon as you've done this, how you like save the ad as, you don't have. Oh, I forgot to mention, save it as a PNG file. But you don't have to name the ad like the file name, because it doesn't matter what you save it as. Because as soon as you exit on paint.net, and go to Roblox. My computer is so slow today. Okay. I know why actually, but all we have to do is go to this and use the ad on. Oh yeah, now I remember. So you could basically use the ad on however you made the ad, like for whatever. To make the ad, just go to my creations. This is if it's not for a group. Sorry, I didn't mention that earlier. You could advertise shirts or pants. I'm just gonna click on shirts. And then my shirts are weird. And so then you could go to advertise however you made it. And press this, press advertise. And then it would bring you here, as I mentioned earlier. Then you would choose the file, name your ad, as I said, you would name your ad. Sorry, I'm describing this like really weird, but then you would go to your groups. If you are advertising for a group, this is hard to like mention and stuff. Oh no, my group image got like unaccepted. So now you press advertise group if you're the group owner or the group owner gave you permission, or an HR higher rank gave you permission to make an ad. So then you would press browse and upload an ad, and you would press the advertisement that you just made or something and you would name it join, like name it whatever you want, of course. But join Purple and Casey's store today. Upload. Like, my recent ad for this group got rejected. Like, it's now gone because I had to delete it. But these are all my other ads for Walk the Runway and stuff. My favorite one, which is, have you ever wanted to model? Have you ever wanted to be a designer? Well, then join Walk the Runway today. It's tons of fun and brand new great outfits for the lowest price. It's weird. But like, all you have to do is wait and pen approval. So since I can't wait for that, I'll just show you on one of these ads. You basically just click not running and press that. Then you bid your Robux. I'll just do 57. Not gonna run it. Then you would press run, and then press place bid. But for now, I'm gonna press cancel on that. And that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed. And also, I'm just gonna say this just makes a bunch of copied clothes. I'm just gonna say that. But I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this taught you. Yeah, taught you, sorry. I'm a bit sleepy. My grammar is off. I hope this taught you how to make clothes. I mean, not clothes. Oh my gosh, I am sleepy. I am making a bunch of mistakes right now. I hope this taught you how to make ads for your group. There we go. And yeah, the next video will be how to make clothes, and that's basically all. Make sure to join my group. The support will be needed since this is a just made group. I just made it yesterday. Casey helped a lot. She made the image that got rejected, but she is the co-owner or an owner. I don't know, she's just an owner, just like I am. So make sure to also join our groups, our separate groups. Walk the Runway, which is mine, currently has 36 members. I haven't uploaded on this for so long. Interviews next Saturday at 6 p.m. Pacific. That's basically my regular everyday group shout. And so then here's hers, Rose Gold Studios. Currently has 6 members. Oh yay, Fametopia. It's actually a really awesome name. Currently she has 2 items in store. Sorry, that's from when I last checked. I want to donate to a group soon though. So yeah, once again, I hope you enjoyed. Links will be in the description to our groups.